Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. Those who are absolutely new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. Friends, I'm going to discuss about the temporary car insurance company, second part. When don't you need it? There are many situations in which you may not need to go the extra mile to buy a temporary policy. For example, say that you are renting a car with your credit card and your card includes rental car collision damage waiver to protect you against theft or damages while you driving. In that case, you may not need any other supplement coverage. You could also potentially skip out on temporary insurance if you purchase coverage from a rental car company instead. Most rental car companies offer their own add-on insurance policies that you can include in your rental agreement. These policies cover you temporarily while you are renting the vehicle. If you already have a standard car insurance policy in place that may also provide temporary coverage for rental car, if your coverage carries over, you would be subject to the same limit and exclusion as you would with your personal vehicle. You would also have to pay your regular deductible. If you get in an accident with a rental car or it's stolen or vandalized. What to know when buying a temporary car insurance? If you think you will need a car insurance temporarily, there are a few things to keep in mind before purchasing a policy. First, remember that it may be harder to find, as not all car insurance companies offer it. You can start with your current car insurance company, but you may need to do some research to find an insurer that offer short-term policies. Comparing temporary insurance option online can give you an idea of the coverage option available. Next, consider the cost, especially look at the premiums and deductibles as well as whether the insurance companies requires any type of down payment or prepayment of monthly premiums. Remember, as this is temporary insurance, it may be more expensive than standard car insurance coverage. Perhaps most important, look at what's covered by policy. Liability insurance protects you against lawsuit. If you are in an accident and injure someone or cause damage to someone else's vehicle, collision coverage helps pay for repairs to your vehicle if you are involved in an accident. The policy may also cover things such as medical payment and towing depending on the insurer. Tips. In some cases, you may be able to get what called a non-owner liability policy. This type of car insurance could cover you for a vehicle you plan to drive temporarily that you don't own. Ask the car insurance company what term options are available to see if there's policy that meet your need. And if you aren't able to find a term that's an exact match, consider whether there are any cancellation fees involved if you need to end the policy early. So, ask whether any prepaid premiums amount might be refundable to you if you don't take advantage of the full policy period. Now I have a request to you. Please subscribe my channel if you are absolutely new in my channel and hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. And please do like, comment and share. Thank you for watching my videos.